Service goes to Gumas. Captain Babani 2-7. 2-7. Gumas points 2. And Parlok MD points 7. Right, 3-7. Service goes to Gumas. 3-7. What a match. This is morning match. Parlok MD versus Guma. Parlok MD Captain Anand and Gumas Captain Babani. Babani versus Anand. Yes. 7-3. Score. Parlok MD score 7. Gumas 3. What a taken. What a taken. Yes. Good shots. Good match. Right, service goes to Parlok MD, point 7-3. Parlok MD service, player Suresh. 7-3. Parlok MD point 7 and Gumas points 3. What a match. Match is running. What a match. What a game. What a place. This is technique game. Good match. What a match. The Guma players and Parlok MD players. Two team players, big match. The morning match. Home ground Parlok MD. Match is running. Point 7-3. Parlok MD point 7 and Gumas point 3. Match is running. What a shots. What a match. Who is win? What a technique. Cool game. Service goes to Gumas 3-7. Gumas point 3. And Parlok MD point 7. What a taken. What a taken. Yes, this is a big match, good players. Who is the effective player? Yes. Who is the impact player? Yes, match is running. What a match. 7-3. Match is running. Parlok MD point 7. Gumas 3. This is a Daba volleyball from Parlok MD. This is home ground Parlok MD ground. Match is Gumas versus Parlok MD. Right, service goes to Parlok MD. Service goes to Parlok MD. Point 7-3. 7-3. Match is running. What a match. This is a morning match. First match Gumas versus Parlok MD. Alright. What a dive. Yes. What a taken. What a players. Gumas players and Parlok MD players. Very senior players. Match is big, I think. Who is win? Who is win? Please watch. This big match is continued. What a taken. Yes. Match is running. Guma versus Parlok MD. 7-3. 7-3. Right, service goes to Gumas player 3-7, score 3-7. Gumas 3 points, Parlok MD 7 points. Match is running. What a match. Yes. What a place. What a place. Yes, this is good game. Morning game, first game. Parlok MD versus Gumas. Two team players are playing as well. Who is impact player? Please watch. What a taken by Gumas player. Right, service goes to Gumas 4-7. Right, Gumas points 4 and Parlok MD points 7. What a taken! What a taken by Aravindo. Yes, match is very good. Good ground, good place, good players. What a match! Morning match, first match, Gumas versus Parlok MD. Yes. Who is impact player? Please watch. Points 4-7. Gumas points 4 and Parlok MD points 7. Match is running. Gumas captain Babani and Parlok MD captain Anando. Anando versus Babani. Who is win? Please watch. Interesting match. This is a challenging match. I think who is win? Yes. What a taken. What a taken. Service goes to Gumas. Points 5-7. Service goes to Gumas. 5-7. Gumas points 5 and Parlok MD points 7. Match is running. Yes. Match is continued. Yes. क्या मैच है भाई? This is first match, morning match, Gumas versus Parlok MD. Good players, best players, senior players. Yes, two team players are playing as well. Who is win? Please watch. What a shot by Aravindo. Yes. What a shot. Yes. Players are playing well. This is a challenging match. Interesting match. 7-5. Service goes to Parlok MD player Mohan. 7-5 score. Parlok MD points 7. Gumas points 5. Match is running. Yes. What a match. What a chasing by Gumas. Please watch. I think this is a challenging match, changing match. But who is win? Service goes to Parlok MD points 8. Gumas points 5. Match is running. 8-5. Parlok MD versus Guma. The match, morning match, first match. Match is running. This is a interesting match, challenging match. Right, match is running. Two team players playing well. Gumas versus Parlok MD players. Very interesting match. Yes. What a match. Yes. Yes. 8-5. Parlok MD points 8 and Gumas 5. Who is win? Which team is win? Please watch. Daba volleyball from Parlok MD. Yes. Two team players. Very effective players. Who is impact player? Who is impact player? Babani is the impact player. Please watch. Yes. Yes, match is running. Kummas points 5. Parlok MD points 8. Service goes to Kummas captain Babani. 5-8. Right, service goes to Parlok MD player Mohan. 8-5. 8-5 scores. Parlok MD score 8 and Gumma score 5. Match is running. I think this is a challenging game and chasing game. Who is win? What a match. This is morning match. Parlok MD versus Gumas. What a taken. Chito. Yes, match is running. Yes. Yes. Match is running. Players are playing well. This is a Daba volleyball from Parlok MD. Home ground Parlok MD. What a shot. Yes. 8-5. Match is running. Morning match. What a match. What a taken. Yes. Very cool playing. Yes, weather is good. Ground is good. Match is very hot. Yes. What a taken. What a taken. Match is running. 8-5. The Parlok MD points 8 and Gummas points 5. Match is running. Service goes to Parlok MD. Match is very interesting. Who is win? Please watch and say. What a match. What a players. Yes. This is a big match. Big game. What a shot. Yes. What a taken. Match is running. Parlok MD versus Guma. Parlok MD captain Anando. Guma's captain Babani. This is a Babani versus Anoso's match. Match is very interesting. Points. Parlok MD points 8 and Guma's points 5. Match is running. What a playing players. What a playing players. Nine five. Right. Parlok MD points 9. 9-5. Match is running. What a game. Yes. Parlok MD points 9 and Gumas points 5. Match is running. What a playing by players. Parlok MD players, Gumas players playing as well. But who is win? Please watch. This is a Daba volleyball from Parlok MD. Match is running. This is first match, morning match. Gumas versus Parlok MD. What a taken. Yes. What a match. What a taken. What a match. This is a Taba volleyball from Parlok MD. Match is running. Chasing match, I think. Gumas 5 points. Parlok MD 9 points. Two team players are effective players. Good players. Good game. Match is running. Yes. Yes, what a taken. Yes. Wonderful match. This is a chasing and challenging match. Gumas versus Parlok MD. What a taken. Yes. Running. This is morning match, first match. Bhavani versus Anando. Bhavani is a Gumas captain. Anando is a Parlok MD captain. What a shot! Right, 5-9 service goes to Gumas. Player 5-9.
Gumas Parlok MDs.
Yes, Gumas Parlok MD's match is running. Match is continued. Big match, big game. Gumma versus Parlok MD. Right. This is, I think, chasing match. 9-5. What a shot. Who is impact player?
Bhavani is in fact player.
Yes. Babani is the impact player. Please watch. Who is when?
Hey.
Yes. Match is running. Good game. Right. Service goes to Parlok MD player. Mohan. 9-5. Service goes to Parlok MD. 9-5. Match is running. Yes. 9-5. What a match. What a match. What a game. This is a Daba volleyball. What a shot by Babani. Yes. The match running. Yes. Gumma versus Parlok MD. Yes. Parlok MD points 9 and Gumma's points 5. Yes. What a playing players. What a shot. This is a technique game. Yes. What a match. Homegrown Parlok MD. Parlok MD versus Gumma's match. Yes. Right, final ball, last ball, game ball. The Parlok MD ball, last ball. Player service, Mohan. Gumma versus Parlok MD. Right. What a match. Whoa. Finally, the Parlok MD is won. Lost by Gummas. What a match. First match. Win by Parlok MD. The winner, Anando.